What is happening, good people? Coming at you something different today, man. We always doing something different. Me and my nephew.
What's up?
We hey man, when he was a youngster, man, we were thick as thieves. Man, he done got grown on me, man. Driving and about to graduate school and everything else. Now it's a different ball game. But anyway, this is gonna be something different because this is my first experience at an NFL football game ever. I've never been to an NFL football game. My nephew, of course, plays football. His daddy is a football fanatic. And I mean, I don't know. He's in it deep. And I mean deep. But, man, I was able to win some tickets through my job. So we're going to go ahead and show y'all our experience, my first experience. You ever been to an NFL football game before?
I don't think I have.
He said he ain't
I've been to college games.
He been to college. Yeah. I've been to some college games, I think. So we're gonna show y'all to give y'all my first experience ever at an NFL football game. Won some tickets through work, so chances are may or may not get some of my coworkers on this video. I'm not sure, but it's the Colts versus the Titans.
You really should have asked my dad. He a Colts fan.
I did ask him, and you know what he said?
What?
Take you.
What's taking you?
He said take you. So, you know what I mean? My brother is a big time Colts fan. I mean, when Peyton Manning retired, I thought he was gonna cry. But he's a big time Colts fan, and then I was trying to get my little brother to go with me, but he's like, nah, take little Nick, which is his son. So that's what we doing. We're gonna go check out this football game. Like I said, I ain't never been. I've never experienced an NFL football game. I ran into Terrell Owens one time at the airport in Atlanta. But that's my only pro football experience at all. So, you know, this is going to be my first ever pro football experience. We got a nice little ride ahead of us, not too bad. Go to Indianapolis, find somewhere to park. Yeah, I heard that parking is stupid up there. They want crazy money for you to park right next to the stadium, all that stuff. So chances are we might get our exercise on before we even get in there. But this is our experience, my first experience, his first experience at an NFL football game. Indianapolis Colts versus the Tennessee Titans. Now we trying to find somewhere to park in this joint, man. You know, everybody running around with these little orange vests on, hollering about it costs this amount of money to park here, this amount of money to park there. Don't necessarily mean that they even work there. You know what I mean? They could be hustling, because they slick with it, man. You gotta watch it sometimes. They say, yeah, pull in here, go ahead and give me that $20. They'll give you a fake ticket, and you come out the game and your car's gone. They ain't nowhere to be found. So, you know what I mean? You got to be careful. I'm just trying to find somewhere I can park at and not come out to not having a vehicle, because you know, try to come out and have a good time and then lose your daggone vehicle in the process. No sir. So
in 600 feet, turn left onto West Merrill Street.
we made it. We just gonna try to find somewhere to park. See, well, they real about the football up here. They real about it. They for real about it. I was just about bust my head, hit that dang pothole. Look at this. Heard that. Then we got another one. So, like I said, first adventures of NFL football game here in Indianapolis, courtesy of my job. So all we had to do was show up, free tickets, can't go wrong there. Oh man, busy as I'll get out right now. Just trying to find somewhere to park where I come out, my vehicle will still be there. Hopefully with all its contents, you know what I mean? Oh, got some other co-workers told me where they're parked at, so we're gonna hit that spot. I had a spot that I was at, and I think I might have got away with it, man, but I didn't want to take that chance with the parking spot. So we're gonna try this other spot, which we know. Right, we're gonna try that. We get inside, get some more video, y'all. Like we making it, we slow and late, y'all. Of course, the parking thing is got me a little. I come out, we ain't got no ride, y'all. Y'all know what happened. Y'all know what happened. They got me. They got me. Hold up. There's the stadium. My knucklehead nephew. Actually, I had the parking pass for work. Might have got me in this other lot straight. Might have got me in there. Because he said, you need a parking pass. You good, man. You got one. So, oh well. We walking up in here, man. Peyton Manning statue. Peyton Manning statue. All right, we'll see if we can get in here. Man, there's so many people, and I ain't, you know what I mean? As far as big crowds and people, not my thing. So we're gonna make it work though. You gotta walk a country mile to where you're going. I guess it's the way it is. Get on one elevator, get off, get on another elevator. But look like we are finally making it to our seat. And the line for the pisser, man, crazy. I mean, just to go take a piss, this line crazy. We here, and we up here, but check it. We up here with the Titan fans too.
Number 6, Nick Fullback for the 18.
where we come in at, man. Crazy. All right, man, we great cut out before this traffic hit. Look like the Colts might have won this game. What do you think?
Huh?
What do you think?
I think the Colts got it from here.
I mean, it's like 4 minutes to go. We're trying to find us a way. 4 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Yeah,
2 minutes. We're just trying to get down this elevator and get back to this ride that I hope is still there. Big up to the Colts for the win. Pretty cool experience. My first time ever at an NFL game. Got to do that with my nephew. These steps, man, I ain't, look at it. He ain't wearing me out. I done got lapped. Yeah, man, we out. We out. So, they everywhere. Colts. All right, so we have the test of time. Back to the parking lot to see if our vehicle's still there. What do you think?
Probably.
He said probably. Well, there wasn't nobody there to take no money. So we gonna find out. We gonna find out. Right. Hold up. No, this ain't it. Illinois. We're supposed to win up another one. We still go this way, right? Let's see. Test. Yeah, baby. We didn't get told. We didn't get told. Oh, man. Yeah, I thought maybe we were going to get told. So we... We didn't get told. Oh, we didn't get told.
We did not.
But, some trickery slicker. See a little yellow ticket? I went ahead and threw on the dash. Threw that little yellow ticket on the dash. I don't know. Might have worked. I don't know. But anyway, back. Our experience for my first experience NFL football game with my nephew, man. That was pretty cool. What do you think about it?
Missed the first half, but the second half was pretty good, so that makes sense.
So, and ESPN is gonna give you the first half.
Yeah.
We missed the first half on my account trying to find somewhere to park. But anyway, we made it, and leaving late. So we made it back to the vehicle. Didn't get towed. We got some memorabilia, man. So my experience, his experience, first NFL experience, it's pretty cool. Be blessed, stay blessed. Swaps out.